The Dushi VIP card is taking me to the spa.
Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around.
If you're coming on vacation in Curacao, you have to take time to relax at a spa. A great spot to relax at is Laman Spa.
Located at Papagayo Beach Club, Laman Spa can be described as modern and luxurious. Just walking around makes you feel like you're in a heavenly place. The most striking thing about this spa is its beautiful design. The white mixed with earth tones relaxed me right away. There is no doubt that this is the most modern spa in Curacao. Upon arrival, I received a warm greeting from my masseuse, Barbara. She kindly explained how things work in the spa. First, I had to change into my robe and slippers.
Some privacy, please.
Afterwards, I had to digitally lock my personal belongings away. Then, it was time for the fun part. At Laman Spa, they always begin their treatments with a welcome ritual. That includes picking your own scents to get massaged with. My choice was rosemary. After that, I received a one-way ticket to relaxation heaven. Barbara did a wonderful job together with a massage table that adjusts to your body. All I was left saying was,
now that was a good massage.
Massages can also be done outside to the rhythm of the ocean. Aside from massages, Laman Spa offers everything else you can get at a spa. Facials, manicures, pedicures, and even a professional hair salon. By the way, pedicures are not only loved by the ladies, but by the gentlemen as well. My time in Laman Spa was beyond compare. Now it's your turn to experience it. Better yet, with a Dushi VIP card, you can get that experience on a discount.